Bluey sat quietly on the porch. The sky turned dark too fast. Bingo whispered, "Why is the sun gone? Could something strange be happening?" A cold wind rushed in quick. Bandit grabbed a lantern tight. Chili held Muffin close strong. Could the night be arriving early? Rusty pointed at the clouds high. A swirling shadow grew bigger fast. Indy shouted, "It's moving toward us. Could it be alive?" The shadow crashed to the ground. Dust filled the air thick. Everyone coughed and blinked hard. Could something be inside that smoke? Then a pair of glowing eyes shined. A creature stepped forward tall. Its wings spread wide, glowing red. Could it be a dragon? Bluey gasped loud, amazed. The dragon roared, shaking trees. Bingo clutched her balloon, scared. Could they even survive this? Bandit stood firm, strong. He raised a stick like a sword. Chili yelled, "Stay behind me, kids." Could bravery fight fire? But the dragon didn't strike hard. Instead, it lowered its head calm. Rusty said, "Maybe it wants trust." Could it be gentle? Bluey stepped closer, shaking. She placed her paw on its nose, soft. The dragon purred like thunder low. Could this be friendship? The ground trembled again, wild. A second dragon appeared, fierce. Its eyes burned brighter, cruel. Could this one be danger? The first dragon growled deep. It stood before Bluey's family, brave. The two clashed with fire and smoke, huge. Could the fight destroy everything? Bluey shouted loud, "Don't fight." Her voice echoed like magic, strong. The fire stopped midair, glowing still. Could her words hold power? The fierce dragon froze, quiet. Slowly it lowered its wings low. Then it placed a crystal at Bluey's feet, shining. Could it be surrender? Bingo held the crystal tight, bright. It hummed like a song, soft. Muffin danced around, laughing high. Could this be a gift for peace? The dragons lifted together skyward. Their roars faded into the night calm. Bluey's family watched, amazed long. Could adventure always find them again? And if your heart raced with them, drop a like, hit subscribe, and be ready, because the next roar might shake your screen tomorrow.